Yo, what's up, guys? I'm gonna make my bike check today since everybody's seeming to make bike checks and everything. First off, I got the Scavenger Bridge or Tunnel V2 frame. I don't remember what it is. Scavenger's Animal's sister brand. Got the NJ in the back. I think that's the bridge or the tunnel. I don't remember. Got the wishbone back there. Riding a wishbone, I love it. You know, got the start off with the bars. You got the S&M Hooter bars. I love them. They're nice. They're nice size bars. Colt Vans grips. I fucking love them. It's my third pair of them. The bar ends are horrible though. Rather than I don't even have a bar end over here no more. You know how it is. I got the Shadow Attack front load stem. See, it's the Shadow with the hollow bolts. It's pretty dope. Got the carbon fiber spacer up here. Got the FSA impact headset. Ride the Fit Blade forks, I believe. They're tapered a little bit. I like them. They're okay. I got the Primo 7 Series blue hoop with the Primo N4FL V2 front female axle hub with the built-in hub guards. I love them. I love built-in hub guards. I love the idea. Got the Shadow Little One peg up here. Love them. They last forever. Buy them. Start off up here, you got that United beacon seat, I do believe. It's got a hole in it from bar spins and shit. You know how it is. I at the Animal wedge post, because this frame does not have any option for a C-clamp or anything. Down here, I got the, for my drivetrain, I got the Shadow Scream 28.2 sprocket. I like it a lot. I got the Premium 1948 spline drive cranks with some shitty ass little fit pedals. I fucking hate fit pedals. Fucking suck. Got the KMC chain because, half-links suck, are horrible. They're terrible. And I got the Primo 7 Series, black hoop in the back with the sexy-ass blue valve cap on it. You know how it is. But I got the Primo Remix hub in the back, 10-tooth, ride 2810. That's how it is, I ride park. Got the Shadow Little One peg back here, too. I like it a lot. It's pretty dope. But that's my bike, you guys. My hub is amazing. I love this hub. It's pretty loud. It's pretty nice, actually. Louder than most hubs are. I like it a lot. It's never skipped on me in my life. Yep, that's my bike check, y'all. It's pretty nice.